Warning, warning, warning. This message is being transmitted by the request from the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and your local authorities. The United States is under attack. Repeat, this is an attack warning. The United States is under attack. The city of Detroit is attacking the United States at large. They have begun invading neighboring states and will soon control half of the United States. You are recommended to hide in an underground shelter with plenty of supplies necessary to your survival. These may include but are not limited to food, water, medical supplies, necessary medications, a battery-powered radio, extra batteries, flashlights, cell phones, cell phone chargers, and any sufficient weapon including firearms and ammunition. If any soldier of Detroit enters your home, you may defend yourself however you deem necessary. Repeat, it is not considered murder if it is a soldier of Detroit. Stay in your shelter at all times. A nuclear weapon may be used on Detroit. If this is the case, a second warning will be issued. For the time being, please remain sheltered in place for at least a month. Do not join Detroit. Anyone caught aiding or fighting for Detroit will be arrested and prosecuted for treason. They are dangerous, and pose a danger to you and your family. Please stay in your shelter and all this will pass. Good luck and Godspeed, America.